Hey guys, it's Darian. Thanks for coming to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be making a moss pole out of supplies that I got from Home Depot, including a PVC pipe, some twine, I've got some couplers, and a cocoa coir basket. I'll have everything linked in the description down below. I decided that I wanted to make my own moss pole because the ones on Amazon are like $15. So I thought by getting my own supplies, that's automatically a cost savings, and thought it would be a fun project to do. So both of the ones on Amazon are $15.99. Oh, and I forgot to mention that all of these supplies cost $19. So I plan on making one big moss pole and then two that are this size. So that's automatically saving quite a bit of money, and I don't think that this will take a whole lot of work either. Okay, so major fail. I wasn't recording when I cut it, but I just laid out the mat and I cut the ends so it laid flat, and then just measured out how much it would take to roll it up. So sorry about that, that really sucks. So now that I've got it all cut up and enough to roll all of my PVC pipes, sorry, Bernie's being a ham, I am going to make the bigger one first. So I got these couplers, and all you do is just stick these together like so. So now I'm taking the cocoa coir and I'm gonna roll it like that. And then I'm going to wrap this twine around it. Okay, so I'm taking the end and just kind of folding that, and then I'm going to roll, and I'm taking my twine So instead of repotting my monstera, I decided to kind of lash the pole to the pot for now. Honestly, because I don't feel like repotting. And this way the pole is easily movable, so I can do it better later. Okay, so I redid the knots a little bit. I think it's on there a lot better. So anyway, I'm going to take these big branches and pull them tight, gently but tight. gently but firmly. I don't want to break anything. I think that looks pretty good. Alright guys, that is all for today's video. I really hope that you found this helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I really appreciate it if you left any video suggestions for me in the comments down below. What would you like to see? I upload new videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays, so I'll see you guys later.